Next up, we've got Trail, and presenting are Christina Gagne and Stephanie Margosian.
Good afternoon. My name is Christina Gagne, and I'm the CEO of Trail. Over 60 million people in the United States do not know how to use the internet. And yes, we know this sounds impossible, but it's true. Trail will be the path to digital literacy, helping people discover the internet. But how are we going to find people if they're not online? We'll get by with a little help from our friends, the libraries who we've been in beta with in California and other community institutions. But what do we mean by not knowing how to use the internet? What would it be like to hear about the internet and know absolutely nothing about it?
And this was from last summer.
That's a nice one. That's a great photo. You should post it on Facebook.
I brought some stuff to sell. I heard you could get me some money. Sir, can anybody even hear me? Could you please? Come on. Hi. Brought my resume. I'll just leave it here. There has got to be an easier way to do this. There's got to be a better way than this. There's got to be an easier way to do this.
Trail's first platform, JobScout, provides a relevant context for learning digital literacy skills. JobScout is an online platform that teaches you the basic internet skills you need to find work. JobScout is a combination of lessons on how to use the internet, meet social gaming, and job-seeking tools. Simply put, it's for those who might need to master URL before they get to HTML. Let's jump into JobScout and take a look. Can I please see the web platform? So, JobScout user Jane Rogers is searching for a medical assistant position in San Jose, California. When Jane comes to the JobScout site, she's able to do 4 things. First, she can learn about the internet by taking a JobScout lesson. Second, she can actually build a resume through JobScout's Resume Builder. Third, she can look for a job and apply for jobs right through our site with JobScout's one-stop job shop. And finally, she can learn to social network and connect with other job scouters. Let's jump in and take a lesson. Since LinkedIn has become an essential tool in the job search process, we looked at our first LinkedIn lesson. Our lessons are text and screenshot based. Users know how far they progressed in a lesson by looking at the progress bar at the top of each lesson. At the end of each lesson, a user meets a game or a challenge. If successful, our users earn a badge. Our badges live on our dashboard in our badge drawer. There's over 39 lessons on the JobScout platform, so there's over 39 opportunities to earn badges. Next, Jane might want to go build her resume. JobScout's Resume Builder is a fill-in-the-blank resume system to take the guesswork out of creating a resume. Jane can fill in the blanks, save and print her resume, and then she's able to use that resume through our Resume Builder feature as well. Finally, Jane can go and commit the job search process. Now, many of our users are on the go, and so we'll switch over to our Android application to complete the JobScout platform. Can I please see the Android application? So our Android application mirrors what's available on the JobScout platform. Jane can conduct her job search. Once she conducts her job search, our little squirrel Skip will find her a job, and the job listings will appear on the platform. She can save a listing that she likes and actually manage that listing. The one-stop job shop allows our users to do 4 different things. First, we prompt them to read the listing. Second, find a contact email. Third, send in that resume they built through Resume Builder. And finally, schedule an interview. The interview scheduling tool on the platform accesses the calendar on your Android or iOS device. And that's JobScout. Can we please see the deck again? Data is very important to JobScout and to Trail because these are over 60 million people in the United States alone who are currently not served or underserved by the consumer web. The opportunity and challenge is shared for everyone in this room. Our initial market focus out the gate will be 2 groups. Boomers and the Latino market, comprising over 40% of the US population, the opportunity is huge. And in fact, surprisingly, these two groups have shared characteristics in terms of their mobile use and their needs in the job market. But a great question is how Trail will scale. Public institutions like libraries, prisons, workforce development centers, and education institutions need both Trail's digital literacy services as well as the data that Trail provides. Trail's data analytics system, Compass, provides the metrics that organizations need to effectively serve people and meet reporting requirements for regulatory and funding needs. Our distribution model will be through organizations. In the US alone, there's over 300,000 organizations providing support services to our potential users. And libraries alone spend over $200 million on tools like ours, and this is just a small share of the market. Trail's ultimate goal is to serve the 5 billion people worldwide who also face digital literacy challenges. Trail's next move will be into the health space with Health Scout, and then into the personal finance space with Finance Scout, where we hope to also serve the unbanked. Today, we have 2 announcements. First, we'll be launching our platform in Spanish, with an eye on serving Spanish speakers in the US and in Latin America. And second, we're launching our Android application. We hope to help people like you and these guys discover the internet. Thank you.
All right. Trail.